Yes, welcome back to Computer Hacks. Today I'll be showing you how to add Google Analytics in your website or web application, whether it's running locally on your machine or whether it's already hosted. Yeah, so watch on and enjoy the video. Um, I'm just assuming you already have a Google account, but if you don't have, you can create one. Because when signing up, then you need a Google account. So when you sign in like this, you'll be prompted with this page, as you can see. Um, it may not be the same, but maybe it will be similar the way it is. So what I mean by it may not be the same, because this one I accessed it while I was inside the when I was already inside the Google Analytics page. So so you can provide your account name. You can just go with testing, and then you can continue. You can check this if you want. If you don't want, you can just skip. And here I come. Then I'm supposed to provide a property name. So forgive me about my namings, but uh, provide the namings according to your project. Your website, you can select the reporting time zone, the currency, and basically this help when you later want to add like Google Ads or that, so that it tracks everything, your payments and all that. And yeah, so there is this advanced options. Previously, like the most common way was using Universal, which was a bit hectic to me and a bit challenging. And now we migrated to version 4, whereby this will not be working starting from July, by the time I'm recording this video. So 1st July 2023. So I don't need to check this. And so I'll continue and hit next. And then you can select the business details. I'll do computer electronics, and then 11 to according to your company or your business. Then here they're saying choose your business objectives, best reports. So you can check any of this, then create. So UK, I'll do accept. Yeah, I don't know how many of you have to read this, but you can read through if you want. Then I'll do accept, and then boom, account and property created. So here I'm asked to choose a platform. If you want to add analytics in your app, your iOS or Android, you can take that. But I'll be going with the web, and then boom, here we are, web. So I'm supposed to provide the URL. So now, like I mentioned, we shall look at how you can add a URL, whether your application is already online or hosted, or if you want to test it like when it's running locally. So if it's running locally, then you can just come here and do localhost .local, just like this, and just give it a stream name. So you can give it your name, the name of your website. So I'll just call it my website. So yeah, so this is how you can specify the URL, or if it is already hosted, then obviously you can come here and say your URL and then give it a name like hosted.com or any name, as long as your website is already hosted. But for now, we just test it with localhost. Then make sure to check this to select the right uh, HTTP. So if it is HTTP, then if it is HTTPS, select that. But normally it has to be HTTPS. So then we do create stream. So we are given this IDs, the stream and the measurement, and then our stream URL. So the next thing to do is to get the code that we need to embed in our our HTML page or React or any application that you're going to add your analytics to. So as you can see, you're supposed to click here, but first time, the moment you printed by this page, then it will reload the page and provide you the other this page. Or alternatively, you can just click here to access this page. And then here we have the option to install manually, or if you want to add it like in WordPress and all that. But I will just do the manual way because I'm going to add it in my code page. What I mean, the page that I've coded. So I can copy this content and then I can just switch to, sorry, I can just switch to my code and then paste it. So for now, as you can see, I already have something there, but that's how you paste it in your page, just like this. Yeah. So, and you're good to go. So you just copy that code and just add it here. One thing that I need to mention is that, one thing that I need to mention is that, as you can see, there are some instructions here. Below is the code, copy and paste it in the code of every page of your website. So assuming you have different HTML pages, you're asked to paste it in different pages immediately after the head element, but do not add more than one Google tag to each page. So this means that you can duplicate this code, you can paste it everywhere, but this line, this one here, you can add it on only one page. Yeah, so basically that's what I mean. Yeah, so after some time, when you've copied everything right, you should be seeing here a green sign showing that you've copied, showing that your data is being collected. And still here, everything should be as you can see here. Sorry, yeah. So for now, I see data collection is pending because basically not added this. But the other trick that I can add is that immediately after copying your code to your HTML or React, whatever page you're using, endeavor to go to, just come here to the network tabs, and the moment you, let's say, refresh the page, on the page where you've added the analytics, that's what I mean, you scroll, you'll be seeing exactly where, like the code, so they will be showing you, for example, they will show you this code, they will show you the code, the measurement code in your, they'll show you the measurement code in your network tabs around here. Then you can see if you are getting the status. If you are getting 200, then that means you've added everything correctly. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe for me. I'll be dropping more videos related to computer hacks and to ease your life over the internet. I'll show you how to create different referrals for different accounts. Like, let's say you need to share the same URL to different people, but you want to track the engagement separately. I'll show you how to do that. Yeah, otherwise, have a great one. See you. Thank you.